Hi everybody, Rick Howard with the Bearded Dragon here, coming to you with another review of more beard products. If you've been following along, my first review was on a kit that I bought from Eisner Miles. I've run through most of that product, and so it was time to order some new ones. And my plan all along was to test different things and find one that I really like. The Eisner Miles is okay, but not certainly one that I would stick with. So I decided I was going to look around and see which products I wanted to try next. My first thought was to go straight to Honest Amish. Honest Amish is a pretty popular one. You can get some of their products at most places like Walmart, and I'm guessing Target and other places like that. Certainly Walmart, that's where I've been getting mine in the past. So I thought I would maybe look for a kit that had everything. Well, I couldn't find anything like that. So I ended up, you'll see another review for Wild Willie's beard wash and softener. So that's going to be another video. So, but they didn't have the other products that I wanted at Wild Willie's. So I decided to do both. So this review is on a kit that I got from Honest Amish after all. So initially I'd gotten the wash and the softener from Wild Willie's, so I was going to just get one of the things that I found out with the Eisner Mile kit. It had the wash, conditioner, oil, and then it had a balm. Well, I'm finding that I want more control than what the balm would give me, so I wanted to get a wax. So initially I was just going to get oil and wax from Honest Amish. So those bottles go for about $12 each. So I was looking at about $24. Then I saw on Amazon, and I'll have a link in the information for this video, but I saw this this kit for $30. So I thought, and it comes with the oil, the wax, but it also comes with balm, and it comes with a beard comb. So I thought, you know what, I'll spend the $6 extra and get the balm as well. And I wasn't sure I was going to use both the wax and the balm at the same time, but reading up on it, it seems to be a good idea to use both. Especially I'm trying to get my beard a lot softer, not so bristly, and get some control over the crazy hairs. And so I'll give that a try, use both of them and see how that goes. But I certainly wanted to use the wax to get more control over my beard. So $30 on Amazon, and again I'll put the link in there, but this is what it comes in, little cardboard box. If you're not familiar with Honest Amish, that's their logo. I mean, the Amish have been growing beards a long time, right? They should know how to do it. But one of the cool things about Honest Amish products is it's all natural products. It's not tested on animals. There's no chemicals or anything. It's all organic and natural. So that's one thing that I really like about it. So open it up here. Box is a little hard to get open, but got this information you can read on Honest Amish, and it has all the ingredients, and I'll go through those. But when you open it up, this is what it looks like. So you got your beard comb. You've got your nice size bottle of beard oil. This is 2 fluid ounces. I think the last one that I used was only 1, and it's lasted now over 2 months. So I'm expecting this to last a good long while. Then you've got your beard wax, and then the beard balm. Sorry about that. Try to get that right. So that's what you get, $30 for all that. So I thought that was really good. So beard comb, pretty straightforward. It's good to just sort of, get your beard like you want it, but it also helps spread out the oils and waxes and everything, get it all through the hair and down onto your skin as well. So it seems like a good durable little comb. I want to go through each of these products. I'll start with the oil. Oil, what I've learned through this process, if you watch my other videos, is probably the most important thing to use for your beard. Just, you know, whenever you wash it, it's taking out all the oils from your skin and hair. And so this is helping put that back and really help moisturize and keep it hydrated. So oil is an essential if you're wanting to groom your beard. So this has the chemicals in it, or not the chemicals, the ingredients, sorry. Extra virgin organic pumpkin seed oil, avocado oil. That's what you're going to see. I mean, it's an oil, right? So it's going to be full of just natural oils. Avocado oil, sweet almond oil, apricot kernel oil, kukui nut oil, virgin organic. I could go through all these, but just trust me, there's about 15 or more different oils, all natural. Organic cinnamon leaf oil, organic lavender oil. So just a lot of good oils in here to help hydrate. I've never used, I have used the beard wax once. I didn't like it at the time because of how solid it is, and I'll get to that in a minute. But I've used the balm, certainly. And I might have even used their butter once. So I have used their products, but never used the oil. Yeah, it smells like their other products that I'm used to. It's got sort of a wood, almost a wood smell to it. It smells really good. I like the smell of it. So that's the oil. The beard balm. This is probably going to be another 2 ounces, I'm guessing. It doesn't say on the bottle, but I think it's 2 ounces as well. So with the beard balm, so I've done another video about the differences between butter, balm, and wax. And I'll get into this a little more when I get to the wax, but the wax is going to be more based on a wax, like beeswax or something. This is going to have a little bit of the wax, but it's going to have a little bit more of the butters. So like this one's cocoa butter, kokum butter. So I'll get into a little bit more of that. But this is a little more based off the butter than the wax, and so it's not quite as thick as the wax is. Whereas you go to a butter, and it's going to be less wax, but more butter. So just depending on how much style and control you want with your beard, the wax is going to give you more of that, but less of the hydration, that side of things. So this is kind of the in-between. But this is, again, organic cocoa butter, kokum butter, lavender oil, Bulgarian lavender oil, organic cinnamon leaf oil. There's even more things in the beard balm than there is in the classic oil that I just went through. A lot of different oils: apricot kernel oil, avocado oil, red organic coconut oil, organic shea nut butter. So it's going to have a combination of the oils and the butters, but it's going to be a little bit leaning more towards the butters to give you more of a hydration. So that's the beard balm. I've already smelled it, so I know what this smells like. As I said, I've used it in the past. They all smell the same. They all have that sort of cedary smell. I don't know if cedar is the right word, but it seems like the right thing. So, but it is kind of a woodsy, masculine smell. I like it. And then finally, we've got the beard wax. By the way, if you look, the beard butter, I can push my finger down into it and give it a little good dent. It's not too thick, so you kind of see it's not real mushy. A butter is going to be even softer than that, but you can see the consistency of the beard balm. And then we've got the wax. Same thing. Now look, I'm pushing pretty hard and I can't get my finger in there. It's pretty solid. So the idea with this is you sort of scrape some off with your fingernail, put it in your palms and rub it together to melt it. The heat from your hands will melt it. You don't need a lot of any of these products. A little goes a long way. So you just get a little in, you rub it to melt it and spread it around, and then you just try and get it into your beard and down onto your skin, and then use the beard to get it through, or sorry, the comb to get it down to your skin and through your hair. So the wax, first ingredient, organic yellow beeswax. So again, this is much more heavier on the beeswax. That's what makes it thicker than the beard balm. It's also what helps it give it more control, make it a little more sticky. So beeswax, white refined organic shea nut butter, organic palm fruit oil. So again, you're going to see the butters, the oils in this. about half the different ingredients than with the the balm. But again, a little heavier on the wax to give it that thicker texture. So I'm going to be using this. Like I said, I have used a couple of their products in the past and have liked them. I'm excited to use them all together with the oil and the balm and wax and see what kind of effect it has on my beard over the next little while. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go and use it for the first time, and we'll give you my first thoughts. But then over the next month, I'll be using it on a daily basis. That's another key, is that even if you don't wash your beard every single day with the beard wash and conditioner, you still need to rinse it out and stuff, but you also need to make sure you're using this stuff. This stuff is what's going to help it stay hydrated and moisturized and whatnot. So I will be using it on a daily basis and over the next month, just seeing how it all does together. So I'll be right back with my first initial thoughts. All right, I'm back. So just got out of the shower and gave my beard a nice wash and condition, and then put the products on immediately after. One thing that I've read and seen as far as instructions or directions on using all of these beard products, whether it's Honest Amish or others, is that it's always best to do it with a clean, damp beard. So I always do it right after I get out of the shower. So I mentioned this earlier. They all the Honest Amish products smell pretty similar. It's not a real strong, powerful scent. Pretty mellow, but it's just a nice earthy, woodsy type scent, like I've mentioned before. So I used their oil for the first time. Had a little bit maybe thicker consistency than the other oil I've used in the past, which nothing good or bad about that. But it's really hard to say after one use, but I used that, put that on. The key is to make sure you really get it in from root to the tip of your hair, really work it in. That's where the brush comes in handy, is getting those oils and stuff all throughout your hair. Next, I use the beard balm. Again, it doesn't take a lot, just a little. Rub it in your hands and then just really get it into your beard nice and thick. And then finally, the wax, and same thing. The wax, maybe about a pea-sized little ball, and once you heat that up in your hand, it'll go pretty far. It spreads out pretty far. So rub that in, got it in, and I mean, I tell you, looking at my beard in the mirror, you might not be able to tell here on the screen, but looks as shiny and it's as smooth as probably it's ever been. So it's way too early to make any kind of a prediction or what, as far as whether I'm gonna like it. But as I've said, I have used some Honest Amish products in the past, and I've liked them. So I'm really looking forward to the next month with daily use and seeing the improvement and how it helps my beard. I'm also excited for the wax and just having more capabilities of controlling my beard. And again, it's only one use, but so far so good, and I'm looking forward to the next month. So I'll be back in a month after I've had an extended amount of use to give a more up-to-date, fuller review on all three products. So I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in about a month, if not sooner, with other videos from the Bearded Dragon. Bye, everybody.